Hey guys, Ashraf, who's teaching at Dragon's App, has just released a new course called PIC Microcontroller Everything You Need to Know. The course begins by teaching the fundamentals of C programming, including variables, operators, loops, conditions, and functions, tailored specifically for microcontroller development. After learning the fundamentals, you then get to control LEDs, 7-segment displays, stepper motors, dot matrix and keypad interfaces. Ashraf even shows you how to do serial communication between PIC to PC or other PIC devices. You learn all about ports, registers and memory organization within the PIC microcontroller architecture, specifically focusing on the PIC 16F84 and other PIC families. You're taught concepts such as analog to digital conversion, interrupts, timers, and the configuration and programming of ADC modules and EEPROM and timer-based delays. Ashraf also teaches you some practical experiments, such as logic function design, 7-segment and LCD interfacing, analog to digital conversion, and stepper motor control. Finally, you're taught the basics of electrical components such as voltage, current, resistant, and circuit types. You also learn about resistors, capacitors, inductors, diodes, and transistors. On top of that, you learn about Ohm's law, which is necessary for calculating resistance. So why don't you go and grab this course now at an exclusive 50% off in the YouTube video description. Ashraf is a teacher at Dragon's App and is very professional in low-level programming and design.